Is your mouse feeling too sluggish or too sensitive? Let's dive right into checking your mouse DPI in Windows 11 and 10, so you can fine-tune that cursor control. First, we'll head into the Windows settings. Click on the search bar located on your taskbar. This should be at the bottom of your screen. Now, type mouse settings into the search bar. You'll see mouse settings appear as the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, once you're in the mouse settings window, scroll down until you find additional mouse settings. It is usually located on the right side of the window. Click on it. This will open the mouse properties window, a smaller, older style window here. Click on the pointer options tab. It is generally the last tab on the right. In the motion section, you'll see a slider. While this doesn't directly tell you the DPI number, it controls your pointer speed, which is directly affected by your mouse DPI. Moving the slider to the right increases the speed, and left decreases the speed. To see your exact DPI, you'll typically need to use the software that came with your mouse. Many gaming mice, like Razer, Logitech, or Corsair, have dedicated software that allows you to see and adjust the DPI precisely. Check your manufacturer's website to download their software. That's how to find and adjust your mouse sensitivity. Now you can tweak your settings for perfect precision. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks, and check out our other videos to master your system.